Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the G4U complete makeup set for women, a 17-piece Pro Beauty Elegance kit labeled A20 that's marketed as the ultimate gift set for girls and a must-have for any makeup lover. Let's dive into this beauty treasure and see if it lives up to its pro-level promise. First up, the packaging. It's sleek, stylish, and comes in a handy cosmetic box perfect for gifting or keeping your essentials organized on the go. Inside, we've got a variety of goodies, starting with the eyeshadow palette. It's loaded with 18 shades from creamy mattes to sparkly shimmers, ideal for everything from subtle day looks to bold party vibes. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is decent. A little powdery, but blends out nicely with a brush. Next, the lipstick, a rich creamy shade that's super wearable. I tried it and it stayed on for hours, giving me that elegant pop of color. The kit includes 5 makeup brushes, soft and functional with no shedding. I used the fluffy one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow. They're perfect for beginners or pros. Then there's the Kale, jet black and smooth. I lined my waterline and it didn't smudge. Great staying power. The foundation is lightweight with buildable coverage. It evened out my skin tone without feeling heavy. The primer smooths my skin beautifully, and the compact powder sets everything with a matte finish. No shine all day. Oh, and a bonus. 2 nail polishes that dry fast and add a fun touch to the look. This 17-piece set is all about versatility. It's got everything you need for a full face, and it's travel-friendly too. It's not luxury. Some shades could be richer, but for the price, it's a fantastic deal. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.